When this side table showed up and I opened the box, I was actually really surprised and relieved by how simple the assembly is. There are only a few pieces, some screws, and the wheels for the bottom, and it was super easy to set up. It really only took me minutes and it was ready to go. The company sent it to me to test out, and I love how versatile it is. It is super easy to roll up in front of my couch, and I can eat food while watching TV. I can also use it to work on my laptop, or if I just need a spot for my drink and my phone. It's really nice having a table that comes to me instead of constantly reaching over to a side table. The wheels roll really smoothly, so moving it around the room is effortless. Another feature I didn't realize I'd appreciate so much is the adjustable top. You can keep it flat like a regular table, which is perfect for meals or snacks while watching a show, but you can also raise it up to different angles and heights. I like using it when I'm on my laptop because I can adjust it to a more comfortable position instead of hunching over. Whether I'm answering emails, editing my content, or just browsing online, it makes working from the couch a lot more comfortable. Another thing that I love is that it doesn't look like a temporary piece of furniture. The walnut finish is really nice and it blends in with the rest of my furniture instead of standing out. It actually looks like it belongs in the room. It also works really nice as a bedside table. It's a perfect size for a lamp, a book, a phone, and a glass of water. And because it's on wheels, it can easily move exactly where you want it. Overall, it's a practical piece that ends up getting used so much. It's simple, functional, easy to move around, and it works in several different rooms of the house.